Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this studio we're going to tech you Techno LA7 error repairing IMEI. Open your free tools MAUI Meta. Please follow the following steps for more. Inside your USB cable into your MTK smartphone. Thanks for your support. Please don't forget like and subscribe and comment for my new clips. Thanks you. Please follow the following steps for more. Please follow the following steps for more. Thanks for your support. Please don't forget like and subscribe and comment for my new clips. Thanks you. Please follow the following steps for more. Thanks for your support. Please don't forget like and subscribe and comment for my new clips. Thanks you. Many times it's possible that you are facing no network on Techno Mobile. In that case, check IMEI number status of the device by dial number 06#. If your device is showing null IMEI or invalid IMEI or IMEI 0 status, that means you have to write IMEI first. Null IMEI or invalid IMEI is the main cause of no network on any device. Most of the times you will see null IMEI after firmware flashing. Reasons may be different for different users. Wrong stock firmware flashing or wrong firmware flashing process is the most common reason of invalid IMEI on Techno Mobile and other mobiles. But if you are also one of them who are facing invalid IMEI or null IMEI number on Techno phone after firmware installation, then no need to worry about it. Here in this tutorial we will show you an easiest method to flash IMEI on MTK Techno phones. Best thing about this tool is that it's a free Techno phone IMEI repair tool without box. So, no need to go anywhere to repair IMEI on Techno MTK phone, because you can do at your own home. If you try to search on internet, there are many tools are available to repair IMEI on MTK Mobile including Techno phone. But now we are introducing new MTK Techno IMEI repairing tool, which is MTK Modem tool. MTK Modem Meta tool is a new version of MAUI Meta tool. Thanks for your support. Please don't forget like and subscribe and comment for my new clips. Thanks you. Thanks for your support. Please don't forget like and subscribe and comment for my new clips. Thanks you.